Have you ever wondered about the best way to start your day? Not just to wake up, but to really cleanse your body from the inside, especially your kidneys. Imagine beginning every morning not just feeling awake, but also kickstarting a natural detox for your kidneys. This isn't just about getting rid of sleepiness. It's about giving your kidneys a boost, setting you up for a day of health and energy. Keep reading, because I'm going to tell you about a morning habit that could change your mornings and your health for the better. Have you thought about how to kick off your day with something that not only wakes you up, but also cleans your kidneys? You're in luck, because today we'll explore a simple morning routine that does just that. Plus, I'll share a special tip at the end that you won't want to miss. This tip isn't just a regular piece of advice. It's the secret weapon that will take your detox routine to new heights. So stick with me until the end to discover this unique piece of wisdom that could change your health journey for the better. The importance of kidney health. Before we delve into the specific fruits that can aid in kidney detoxification, it's crucial to understand why kidney health is so important. Our kidneys play a vital role in maintaining overall health by filtering waste products and excess fluids from the blood, balancing electrolytes, regulating blood pressure, and producing hormones that are essential for red blood cell production and bone health. However, our kidneys are constantly exposed to harmful substances due to our modern lifestyles, including processed foods, environmental pollutants, and chronic stress. Over time, these factors can impair kidney function, leading to serious health problems. Consider my patient, Mr. Brown, a 52-year-old man who came to me with complaints of fatigue, swelling in his legs, and high blood pressure. After a series of tests, we discovered that his kidneys were functioning at only 40% capacity. Mr. Brown's condition was a wake-up call. He had never given much thought to his kidneys, assuming they would continue to function without any special care. But like any vital organ, kidneys need proper support and maintenance to function effectively. Ignoring kidney health can lead to chronic kidney disease, CKD, a condition that affects millions of people worldwide. CKD progresses silently, often without symptoms, until significant damage has occurred. If left untreated, CKD can lead to kidney failure, necessitating dialysis or a kidney transplant. This highlights the importance of proactive measures to support kidney health, starting with our daily habits. Morning habit. 1. Watermelon for hydration and detoxification. Let's begin with a summer classic that's as invigorating as it is beneficial. Watermelon. This vibrant fruit isn't just perfect for picnics. It's a powerhouse of hydration and nutrients, making it an ideal choice for your morning detox routine. Watermelon is composed of over 90% water, which means it helps keep you hydrated, while also aiding in the flushing out of toxins from your kidneys. Proper hydration is essential for kidney health, as it ensures the kidneys can effectively filter waste products from the blood. Watermelon also contains antioxidants like lycopene, which gives the fruit its distinctive red color. Lycopene has been shown to reduce inflammation and protect the kidneys from oxidative stress, which can damage cells and tissues. Additionally, watermelon is rich in vitamins A, B6 and C, as well as potassium and magnesium, all of which support kidney function and overall health. One of my patients, Sarah, started incorporating watermelon into her breakfast after learning about its benefits. She blended chunks of fresh watermelon with a bit of ice, a splash of lime for that extra tang, and a few mint leaves for a refreshing twist. It's not just delicious, it's refreshing, and makes me feel like I'm doing something good for my body every morning, she shared. Within weeks, Sarah noticed she felt more hydrated and energized throughout the day. Failing to stay properly hydrated can strain the kidneys, making it harder for them to filter waste efficiently. Dehydration can lead to the formation of kidney stones, which are painful and can cause further damage to the kidneys. By starting your day with watermelon, you provide your body with the hydration it needs to support kidney function and prevent complications. Curious about the foods that can supercharge your life and fuel your body with vitality? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Nutrit, and join me on a quest to explore the wonders of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. If you like this video, comment "Great" to encourage us. By the way, we have a special offer for you. If you want to dive even deeper into understanding kidney health, we've got something just for you. Check out the link in the description below for a free in-depth ebook on kidney health. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney disease. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Your kidneys will thank you. Morning Habit 2. Cranberries for UTI prevention and kidney support. Next, let's talk about our second standout fruit, the formidable cranberry. Despite its small size, the cranberry is a powerhouse of health benefits, especially renowned for its ability to prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, and support overall kidney function. UTIs are common and can cause significant strain on the kidneys if they become recurrent or chronic. Cranberries contain unique compounds called proanthocyanidins that prevent bacteria from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract. This reduces the risk of infections that can ascend to the kidneys and cause further complications. Additionally, cranberries are rich in antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are detrimental to kidney health. For my patient Lisa, adding cranberries to her diet was a game changer. She started by incorporating fresh or dried cranberries into her morning yogurt. Not only do cranberries add a tangy flavor to my breakfast, but they also give me peace of mind knowing I'm protecting my kidneys, she said. Lisa's frequent UTIs decreased significantly, and she felt more confident in her overall health. If you neglect to include foods that support urinary health, like cranberries, you may find yourself more susceptible to infections that can compromise kidney function. Chronic UTIs can lead to scarring and damage in the kidneys, increasing the risk of CKD. By proactively incorporating cranberries into your diet, you can reduce this risk and support your kidney's ability to function effectively. Morning Habit 3. Lemons for alkalizing and detoxifying. The third vital fruit in our kidney detox trilogy is the humble lemon. This citrus marvel is a mainstay in detox recipes across the globe, and it's easy to see why. Lemons are loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants, which help flush toxins out of the body and enhance the kidney's natural filtering processes. However, the benefits of lemons go beyond their detoxifying effects. These sunny fruits are crucial in maintaining the body's pH balance. Their nature helps alkalinize the body once consumed, which is beneficial for both overall health and specifically for the kidney's functionality. This balance is essential for creating an environment that supports detoxification and discourages the development of kidney stones and other potential issues. By starting your day with a squeeze of lemon in your water, you're not just refreshing yourself, you're actively supporting your kidneys and contributing to a healthier body pH. Despite their acidic taste, lemons have an alkalizing effect once metabolized, playing a crucial role in restoring and maintaining the body's pH balance. This equilibrium is essential for optimal kidney function and overall health, as it allows the kidneys to efficiently filter blood and process waste. Integrating lemons into your morning routine can be as easy as beginning your day with a glass of warm lemon water. Simply squeeze half a lemon into warm water and drink it on an empty stomach. This practice doesn't just hydrate you, it also stimulates your digestive system and enhances your kidney detoxification efforts from the moment you wake up. Adopting this straightforward yet impactful habit can have a significant positive effect on your kidney health and overall wellness. One of my patients, Jack, experienced remarkable improvements in his kidney health after incorporating lemon water into his morning routine. Starting my day with lemon water has become a ritual. It not only wakes me up, but also makes me feel like I'm giving my kidneys the care they need, he shared. Jack's kidney function improved, and he felt more energized throughout the day. If you neglect to support your body's pH balance, it can lead to an environment that promotes the formation of kidney stones and other complications. Acidic urine can contribute to the development of stones, which can cause severe pain and potentially damage the kidneys. By maintaining a more alkaline pH through simple habits like drinking lemon water, you can help prevent these issues and support overall kidney health. Integrating these fruits into your routine. Now that we've discussed the individual benefits of watermelon, cranberries, and lemons, let's talk about practical ways to integrate these fruits into your daily routine. Starting your day with these fruits can not only boost your kidney health, but also provide a refreshing and delicious start to your morning. A great way to include watermelon is by preparing a watermelon smoothie. Blend chunks of fresh watermelon with a bit of ice, a splash of lime, and a few mint leaves. This smoothie is not only hydrating, but also packed with nutrients that support kidney function. Alternatively, you can enjoy watermelon slices as a simple and refreshing snack. For cranberries, consider adding them to your morning oatmeal or yogurt. This not only enhances the flavor, but also provides the antioxidant benefits that support urinary tract health. Fresh or dried cranberries can be used, and cranberry juice is also an option, though it's best to choose a variety with no added sugars. Incorporating lemon water into your routine is straightforward. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water. This simple habit can make a significant difference in maintaining a healthy pH balance and supporting kidney detoxification. The special tip: hydration routine. Now for the moment we've all been eagerly anticipating, the unveiling of the secret tip that could revolutionize your health and detox routine. This strategic addition to your morning routine can significantly enhance the benefits of the detoxifying fruits we've discussed: watermelon, cranberries, and lemons. By adopting a specific hydration routine right at the start of your day, you're not just hydrating your body, you're setting the stage for a comprehensive detoxification process that benefits your kidneys and overall health. Here's the plan. Begin your day with a glass of warm lemon water. This simple step wakes up your digestive system and initiates the detoxification process, creating the perfect environment for the antioxidants and nutrients from watermelon and cranberries to exert their effects. Following the lemon water with watermelon provides hydration and lycopene, further supporting your kidneys in flushing out toxins and supplying essential nutrients for detoxification. Let's break down how this tip works in harmony with the fruits mentioned to maximize the detox process. Lemons. The vitamin C and citric acid in lemon water help cleanse your liver and kidneys, boosting their function in filtering out toxins. Starting your day with lemon water primes your body for detoxification. Watermelon. After the lemon water, consuming watermelon, which is rich in lycopene and has high water content, aids the kidneys in toxin removal. It provides a hydration boost along with essential nutrients, making the detox process more efficient. Cranberries. Incorporating cranberries, whether in your oatmeal, yogurt, or as juice, utilizes their UTI-preventing properties and their antioxidants, which are beneficial for promoting a healthy urinary tract and further supporting kidney function. This targeted hydration routine, combining warm lemon water with watermelon and cranberries in your breakfast, leverages the unique properties of each to enhance your body's natural detox processes. Not only does it support kidney health, but it also contributes to overall vitality and well-being. I encourage you to take this information and act on it. Begin tomorrow morning with a glass of warm lemon water and add some watermelon and cranberries to your breakfast. Notice the changes in how you feel and share your experiences and any personal insights you might have. Your journey towards a healthier you begins with these simple, manageable steps. Conclusion: your journey to better health. Imagine starting each day not just with any routine, but with a ritual that rejuvenates your kidneys, boosts your detoxification processes, and positively impacts your overall health. Watermelon, cranberries, and lemons, along with a warm glass of lemon water in the morning, are simple yet impactful steps towards a healthier version of yourself. However, this journey is more than just following advice. It's about sharing experiences and growing together. I invite you to join the conversation and share your own stories. Have you tried adding these fruits to your morning routine? Do you have any additional tips or secrets that have significantly improved your health? Let's build a community of wellness enthusiasts who support and inspire one another. Sharing your journey can motivate others to make positive changes in their lives, creating a ripple effect of health and wellness. Let's connect, share, and grow together in our pursuit of a healthier, more vibrant life. If this conversation has been valuable to you, I hope you feel encouraged to take these steps towards a healthier lifestyle. Remember, each action you take, like starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water and incorporating watermelon and cranberries into your diet, is a move towards a day full of energy, vitality, and the reassurance that comes from nurturing your body optimally. Your engagement and willingness to share your journey and insights can significantly contribute to spreading this message of health and well-being. Every individual's health journey is unique, and even small modifications in your daily routine can lead to profound benefits for your wellness. As you embark on this path, remember to appreciate the journey and the positive changes you're making for your health. Starting tomorrow with that glass of warm lemon water, let the power of these simple natural foods inspire you towards greater health and happiness. Thank you for joining in this discussion. Your proactive steps towards health, sharing experiences, and supporting one another in this community are what make the journey enriching and worthwhile. Keep exploring, sharing, and living your healthiest, happiest life. Until we meet again, here's to your health. Thank you so much for engaging with today's discussion on the top 3 fruits for kidney detox and our special hydration tip to kickstart your mornings. Your keen interest and commitment to improving your health naturally are truly inspiring and are the reasons we continue to share valuable insights and tips. Curious about the foods that can supercharge your life and fuel your body with vitality? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Nutrit, and join me on a quest to explore the wonders of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. If you like this video, comment "Great" to encourage us. By the way, we have a special offer for you. If you want to dive even deeper into understanding kidney health, we've got something just for you. Check out the link in the description below for a free, in-depth ebook on kidney health. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney disease. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Your kidneys will thank you.
For those of you eager to further optimize your health, you're in for a treat with our upcoming content. In our next video, we'll explore the realm of superfoods aimed at boosting brain power, an essential guide for anyone looking to enhance cognitive function, improve memory, and safeguard mental health as they age. This session promises to be packed with practical advice and tasty suggestions that you won't want to miss. As we conclude, I want to say a heartfelt farewell and express my deepest gratitude for your ongoing support. It's important to remember that every small step towards a healthier lifestyle contributes significantly to your long-term well-being. Stay tuned for more wellness insights designed to assist you in living your best life every day. Don't forget to subscribe and activate notifications so you never miss our future videos. Here's to your health, happiness, and a life filled with vitality. Until next time, take care and be well.